Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 19 and we're focusing on our chest, biceps, and back. And for this workout, I'm utilizing my new upgraded resistance bands from GR8FLEX, and I made a video on this recently on these black bands. So initially I already had the upgraded resistance bands, but I was always battling them as they were always falling from the holster. So as I was working out, they were just dangling on the bottom of the glide board. So I called up GR8FLEX customer service and they were very helpful and sent me these new resistance bands. They actually have more tension than the previous ones. And just a side note, from left to right, there are two 20-pound resistance bands, and on the right side, two 25 resistance bands. So in this workout, I bring out our new exercise and the decline push-up. It increases functionality, strength, and mobility, and promotes core activation, coordination, and joint stability. I'll put timestamps in the description so you could jump around to each set as needed, but I highly recommend you just go from start to finish and complete the workout. Be sure and warm up. Have a good workout. Let's go. Alright, here we have circuit number 1 with a kneeling chest press, and this is the first time I've done the chest press kneeling down, and it was very difficult. As you can see, as I'm fully extending, the glide board is almost at the very top, close to the tower, so these resistance bands are almost fully extended. It was very difficult, and also I didn't like the angle. It was kind of pulling my arms down and kind of affecting my shoulders. I think going forward, I'm not going to continue on with this workout kneeling down. I'll just, sit down and lean forward. Right, here we have the seated curls, and this workout felt really good with these resistance bands. I think by the 4th set, I get up to 65 pounds, two 20-pound and one 25-pound resistance band. You want to keep your back straight, fully extend your arms, and curl all the way to the top to complete the exercise. Jumping right into the kneeling rows. You want to fully extend forward and pull your arms all the way back to complete the exercise. Keep your back straight, you're working your core, and be sure and stay in control. Alright, here we have circuit number 2, our first set with the decline push-ups. And as I alluded in the introduction, I really enjoyed this exercise. You know, it increases functionality, strength, and mobility. But most importantly, it's a full body activation. And with the completion of each set, I go a little higher on the tower, and it just makes it more difficult. But also, something to note, I add a resistance band, so it's kind of pulling your body, you know, towards the glide board when you're fully extended. So you're working your shoulders, your core, pretty much your whole body. I really enjoyed this exercise. I can't say enough. Here we have the line pullovers, and you know, this GR8FLEX already comes with cables that are longer than the Total Gym, and as I added the swing swivels, it just makes it even more longer, so I can't really fully extend backwards, as you can see in this video. I think possibly in the future I might remove the swing swivels just to make the cable a little shorter to get that full range of motion. Here we have the inverted curls, and if y'all have watched my other videos, you know this is one of my favorite bicep exercises. It's very difficult to cheat with this one. You're lying on the glide board, so you can't hunch over, you can't use your back, your arms are isolated. You want to fully extend and curl all the way to the top to complete the exercise.
What you got in that bag?
Alright everyone, that's the end of workout number 19 where we focused on our chest, biceps, and back. We used the new upgraded resistance bands for the GR8FLEX that, GR8FLEX customer service has helped us out with. We introduced a new exercise and the decline push-ups and went over, all the benefits for it. If you followed along and you completed this workout, let me know how it went in the comment section. I always appreciate feedback. Let me know how I can improve. Hope this content helps. We'll catch you on the next workout. Thanks for watching. God bless.